And before we close off, Christian, I got to ask you this question, okay?
All right.
It's an investigative question. We've got Tim Buckley's Twitter profile up. I want to know something. What the heck's going on in Greensboro with all these purple lights?
The aliens are coming. I'm kidding. We are trying to figure that out too. Apparently, so we've learned a lot this evening. And I never really thought too much about it. And I thought I was the only one that had seen some because I travel back and forth to Raleigh a fair amount. And I've noticed plenty of them in that area. Well, then I saw Tim talking about this today. And I said, oh, maybe I'm not the only one. And come to find out that, well, one, the city of Greensboro actually does not maintain the streetlights, which is like super weird to me. It's actually Duke Energy that maintains these streetlights. Mm-hmm. Crazy how that works. And apparently they're just basically like bad or messed up LED lights. They're replacing a lot of the old style streetlights with LEDs to be more, efficient and energy independent and to be brighter. And these are apparently just bad lights they put in. So they have to get around to fixing them, but they're weird. They're kind of creepy looking.
They are. So I'm sorry for the podcast listeners. You'll have to type up Tim's Twitter page. He's got these videos, these purple lights, and I'm kind of weirded out by it.
In no way, shape, or form are these.
Oh, there he is right now.
These lights are terrible, and we're going to try and get them fixed.
Tim Buckley, making all of it work tonight. Let me tell you.
So bad. And imagine if you're just minding your own business and your light gets changed outside your street, and then you have to live with this purple light in your window like all the time. You'll go crazy. So we're gonna try and figure this out. The weather's quiet. We have nothing better to do.
It's investigative reporting,
Yep. We're on the task, so we'll see what happens.
Well, thank you, Tim, for that. We expect a follow-up next week, okay?
Yeah, we're working on it.
All right, that's all I have. James, you have anything to add?
I can't top that. No.